So, how do I deal with spaces in keywords? Specifically, the name of a city is Johns Creek. I don't want results returned for either Johns or Creek, only when someone searches for the full city name, including the space. Do I add commas after the city in the keywords meta tag header, or what do I do?
Hey guys, Steve here. Before we dive into the answer, please go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're on YouTube, be sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll never miss out when I upload new videos. Your likes help spread the word and grow the channel. Now, let's get to that answer. Okay, first of all, keywords meta tag, don't use, it's junk, has no value, hasn't been a ranking factor in like 10, 15 years. So just forget keyword meta tag, just ignore it, nothing. Other than that, just put the city name in, man. You're not going to get found for the word John. You're not going to get found for the word town or whatever the other one. John, what was it? John something or other? What was it again?
Creek.
John Creek. Yeah, you're not going to get found for the word creek. You're not going to get found for the word John. Hell, you'd be lucky to get found for Johns Creek because there's probably like a Johns Creek page. There's probably other people that are in Johns Creek. So, just write it out. Just stop overthinking and just put the, if it's, let's say it's in Florida, put Johns Creek, comma FL. Use the term Johns Creek in your headings. Put Johns Creek in your URLs. Put Johns Creek, in the footer. If your address is in Johns Creek. Yeah, don't worry about it. Like spaces. That's natural. That's what it should be. Okay. Use it. That's fine. There's nothing. It's just the word. That's just what it's called. I mean, I'd be more interested if someone said like what's a good word? I'm trying to think of a good one. Like I don't know, this is stupid, but I'll say like Williamsburg, Virginia, right? Somebody might put in Williamsburg as a single word, which is what it is, but somebody else might put in Williams space Berg, right? Somebody might do that. Situations like that, well, yeah, okay. I mean, can't really do much about that because that's not the name of the city. Someone made a misspelling, but Google will probably correct for it anyway. Yeah, just stop worrying about it is the thing. Don't do anything with meta tags. Just put the city name in or put whatever keyword phrase it is, not a city name, but whatever the phrase is, put it in. Odds are you're never going to get found for any single word phrase anyway. Hell, you'd be lucky to get found for 2-word phrases in general. More often than not, it's hard enough getting found for 3-word phrases, 4-word phrases, 5-word phrases. So just write great quality content about your topic area, optimize the pages and all the different places you can. If you're part of the membership, go and take a look at the on-site optimization masterclass. Look at all the different places you can optimize on each page of your website and how to do that and best practices for them. And just stop worrying about it. Like just write great content, put it out there. Make sure that your users are happy, right? That the people who come stay there, like your stuff, maybe share it, whatever else. But just stop worrying about it. Basically, just do your thing.
Yeah, the whole local find, something near me would totally blow up if Google couldn't recognize that some city names had 2 words in them.
Yeah, Google knows. They know perfectly well. No worries about it.